My house just guessed I was sad and dimmed the lights. Here's how to upgrade your home with 2025 tech. On a 2024 budget. In 2025, smart homes will feature AI-driven automation. Imagine appliances that learn your schedule, brewing coffee before you wake up. Privacy-first AI will process data locally, ensuring no cloud leaks. Let's dive into 3 DIY projects that bring this future to life. First, the self-learning thermostat. For just $50, grab a Raspberry Pi and motion sensors. With basic Python scripting, code it to adjust temperatures based on your routines. Next, mood sensing lights. Use a $30 camera with TensorFlow Lite for emotion recognition, paired with Philips Hue. Train the AI model to shift lights to blue when calm and red when stressed. Finally, build a voice-controlled security drone. This $200 drone connects to Home Assistant. With simple voice commands, like, Alexa, patrol the backyard. It scans for intruders. Now, let's talk privacy and security. Use local AI systems like Frigate instead of cloud-based options. Segment smart devices on a separate network with a $20 router hack to enhance security. Grab the full build guide and discount codes below. Next week, I'll hack my own smart home. Subscribe to see if I survive.